besties. Today I will be doing a nail art requested by my subscriber. So let's learn about tiger nail art design. As I said in my previous video, there are many different types of animal prints we can do. Comment below which animal print I did in the previous section. This design may look hard, but it is easy to do. Even a beginner can do. Next video I will be showing my nail routine. I will be shaping them, so stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. So without further delay, let's jump into our nail art. I have chosen light nude as the base coat. We have to draw simple strokes from left to right, then from right to left, basically according to our wish. As you can find tigers with similar pattern, don't worry too much about its shape. Perfection is not the beginning. Always remember to wipe away any remaining polish around the cuticle with a brush. Create many different sets using the same design. We can also do this design on the ring finger and leave the rest freely. In this video I will be doing it entirely opposite. I am planning to draw a French tip on the ring finger. Comment below what kind of design would you like to see next, maybe floral nails or something glittery. If you are a person with short nails, this design will suit you. If you guys don't know, I am doing live stream on every Sunday, so stay tuned and watch my live videos. Also, you can clear your doubts about nail art. Let me know which color should I try next.